Welcome to the Food Daily channel. Are you ready to make a delicious meal? For this delicious dish, we need 8 mushrooms. Let's thinly slice the mushrooms to ensure they cook evenly. Next, gently place your thinly sliced mushrooms into the pan. Sauté the mushrooms over high heat until they release their water. Now let's add the pre-cooked kidney beans to our sautéed mushrooms. Stir the beans and mushrooms together, letting the flavors meld. Mix 3 TBSP tomato paste in 120 ml water until smooth. Pour the tomato paste mixture over, stirring well. Season with 1 tsp salt and a dash of red and black pepper. Mix well. Mix all the ingredients together until well combined. Add 3 TBSP vinegar to the mixture. Sprinkle 1 TBSP sugar for balanced flavors. Simmer for 30 minutes until the sauce thickens and beans are tender. Did you have fun cooking with us? Don't forget to subscribe, like this video. Your support and likes are very important to me. We're eager to hear your thoughts on this video. Have any questions? Drop us a comment below. I hope you enjoyed our cooking video. Our bean and mushroom casserole is ready. Bon appetit! Thank you from the bottom of our hearts for watching. If you love this recipe, check out our fan favorite video right here. Share your favorite dish in the comments and get ready for our next mouth-watering recipe. Can't wait to share our next culinary creation with you. It's a surprise you won't want to miss. See you in the next video.